Hi, welcome to SEIDIO's iPhone 6 OBEX installation video. To open the case, locate the coin slot on the bottom right side. You can either use a coin or your fingers to peel back the case. Install the phone volume side first, and ensure all four corners are secure. When you're closing the case, make sure all four sides snap properly. There should be no gaps. To use the audio adapter properly, open the audio port, insert the audio adapter, and twist to lock. This allows your case to remain waterproof while using headphones. The phone remains fully functional. Touch ID, volume button, mute switch, power, and this is the charging port. Thank you for watching SEIDIO's iPhone 6 OBEX installation video.